Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you.
Good morning, guys. How's it going? Rush SRT here. Today's video is the video where we go to Springfest. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm up pretty early. I've been up since 5:30 this morning. It's currently 6:30. So I met up with OC Mopars, the car group that I'm in, and we're about ready to head out to the event here. I'm rolling behind my friend Alex, the 18-year-old Hellcat owner, and Drew from OC Mopars, and the Charger up front there, and we have a bunch of other cars behind us. So it's going to be an exciting day. I'm going to take you guys along today and show you all that Springfest has to offer, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Everybody up because we all thought he was a cop, because it looks like a cop car, but it's some sort of security patrol car. Alrighty guys, so we just made it here, and there is a ton of cars. Looks like they haven't opened the gates just yet. Alrighty guys, so we're moving. It's currently 7:10, so 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. They finally opened the gates and they're letting us go inside.
Have your pass ready. Let's go. Hey, get your pass ready. We're doing an aerial. Didn't know before. Surprised when you call me out.
Alrighty guys, we regrouped. Now we're gonna park all next to each other. We're trying to stay together. I'm not booted out. Uh-oh, we don't want to get booted out. The day hasn't even begun yet. I mean, they let them park together. I don't know why we're not allowed to park together. I like what they did. They all have flags on their cars. Hey, we made it! The group is together. You ready to go to daycare, buddy?
Did you see the demon that came in?
I didn't see it up close, no, but I want to.
Yeah. He's like down that way. Wow.
Come a long way, huh?
That's the whole idea. It's a stock motor, but it's set up. Got gears and tires and all that, so I'm hoping to 10, 30, and 40 maybe.
Very nice.
Storylines will be good.
And you have your harness in there,
Yeah,
and everything
it's got
ready?
the harness all set up.
Seat delete. What kind of tires are running?
Those are Mickey Thompson's. I replaced the stock 20-inch wheels. Those are 17s with a 305.
305.
With tire on it, so that's about as big a drag tire as you can put on one of these things on a small wheel. So
because with 315s you'd rub in there, right? On the inner wall.
You know, actually I don't. You know, it's just a matter of how much you want to massage that inner liner. I mean, it's really no big deal with a car like this. I'll cut the hell out of it to get a bigger tire in there.
Yeah.
They just don't have a bigger tire that's going to work better than this for this car.
For this car. And
Yeah,
are
well,
you hooking up?
This has got a stock engine in it, so you know, I'm at about 750 horse. You know, when I take it up to 1,000, then I'm going to be looking for bigger tires.
Bigger tires.
Yeah.
But right now, are you having any trouble hooking up at all?
This is the first pass.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Everything's brand new.
Oh, awesome,
I towed it out here. I live in Utah. I towed it out
I
here.
saw you when I was coming in. I saw the Utah plates. I was like, this guy,
I'm
Ford drive.
I'm from Southern California. I've made millions of runs on this track in race cars and stuff.
Yeah.
And so I just wanted to come out here and run one more time at Pomona, maybe get some good air, and plus they got the event thing going on, so I thought, oh, what the hell, I'll take a chance. I just hope it doesn't, I mean, this thing may not even make a run down the pass, down the track if it starts sprinkling. So.
It's sprinkling, yeah. I looked at the forecast, it looked like it was going to sprinkle, but I hope it doesn't. I hope we get to see you do your run.
Still this afternoon. If I can get 2 or 3 runs on it, and like I said, I'd like to break 1050s. If the starting line is any good, it will. It's just going to depend on how well it hooks up. So
that's awesome.
Anyway.
Yeah. Thank you for talking to us. Guys, if I ever have kids, this is the car for me right here. This thing is clean. This is a Pacifica hybrid. This is pretty sick, not gonna lie. I like the color. And I've found my first demon, guys. That is really cool. It's a very nice color. Alex, is this octane red?
This is what I was doing.
The Alcantara steering wheel. Super sexy. And I really like these. I wonder if that's factory or not. So I've seen this on the Instagram. Like, you're gonna see it in person. It's an absolute beauty. I love the yellow brake calipers.
We don't rev anymore, can we?
Maybe a little bit, right?
Oh, you got the red seats. The Demon crate.
I love this setup. It's beautiful. Monster. I love this setup over here. I want to change my gauge cluster to white.
Pretty interesting wrap.
Yes, this is what I'm trying.
One of one.
Hey, did you hear his music? He said 3'9" with a 10-foot dig.
Are those Aventador lights? On a Challenger. I don't know how I feel about that.
Last year in Mopar. How are you?
Where are you?
Yeah, oh my god. Hopefully this is all we get, it's just a little bit of
Thunder Horse, huh?
What's going on? Who's got that car?
Brazzers with the upside down registration for the year as well. Rebelling in all kinds of ways. So he just got his car wrapped. And I don't know, but I think it kind of looks like my car right now.
Okay, everybody put your cell phone flash on. You can already see on the bumper.
You should have brought a bright light.
I mean, you can say that Rush SRT was your inspiration.
I mean, the prism.
Yeah, okay, you're off the hook, But the Thunder Horse, I think I
mean, come on, I think when you hear my exhaust, it kind of says it all.
Thunder
With
Horse.
those cutouts.
That actually, it sounds really, really neat. I like what they've done with like the valve cover and stuff. That's really nice. That is really dope. And that interior. Seen those floor mats before. Those are pretty sick.
I had to hotwire my fan relay.
Oh.
There we go. Screw it. There's too much to take off. There.
It's a huge supercharger. That is so big.
That thing's kill you too.
I know, I saw that. Machine guns on the sides. One of my favorite colors, guys, a plum crazy. I love this color. It looks so good in my opinion. It has a roll cage and everything.
What'd you run?
Back then it was only like a 1030. Because if you run 10 flat and you gotta have cage and all that stuff, so that's why I had to go with the cage and shoot and all that stuff. But last year, the weather was terrible. It was like 105. You know, wind was blowing through the altitude. Yeah, it was gnarly.
We're from Vegas. Where was that at? Oh, installed tune. What do you?
So this car has something I've never seen before, but it has LED lights that are hooked up around the discs. It's kind of cool, but I don't know how they would withstand heat. Even when she's dirty, this thing is looking sexy. What do you think of the new wheels though? So this thing has 305s all the way around. Such a beautiful car. The wide body is so aggressive. I'm actually in love with it. Look at those rims. It's dirty, but I think this is like a Dodge vehicle because it has manufacturer plates on it. Yeah, from Michigan, right?
Yeah.
That's a very nice engine bay. Color matched with the car. It's on air. Got the Beats sound system. Very nice. Check this out. This is a Duracell battery. Dope as hell. Mod effects. I don't know if you guys have seen RP Productions. He works with these guys a lot. Oh wow, that's very nice. I love the color here. It looks like a bronze. And the attention to detail they even got on this thing right here. Very cool.
The strut bar.
So this is color matched, Destroyer Gray with the red. 392. This is a Daytona. Guys, we need your honest opinion in the comments below. So Alex thinks that his car is better looking than mine, and I think my car is better looking than Alex's car. But you guys be the judges, and let's make a dare right now. What do you say?
License plate don't count.
License plate don't count. Okay, without the license plate, just looks wise, and take away the fact that his is a Hellcat and mine is a SRT. What's the dare?
I don't know. You think of something.
We gotta think of something good. I'm trying to think of something really good. If people vote that my car is better looking than yours, then you have to rock my Instagram on your car for a week.
Oh, alright, fine. Fine.
And if they say that your car is nicer than mine, then I'll rock your Instagram on mine for a week. How about that? Deal. Shake on it?
Deal.
There it is, guys. You've seen it here first. So in the comments below, let us know which car you like better. The Octane Red Hellcat or the Destroyer Gray SRT 392. And let's take away that the fact that they have different engines and everything, just looks wise, paint wise, the current way they're set up. So I'm gonna give you a nice view.
The gas cap.
Check out that gas cap. So let's say they were both the same. Which one would you take? And you can't use this modification against me because I don't have colored halos, but just look at the cars. Which color would you go with? Let us know below.
Inside your car with me. Want to take a ride?
Do you?
We love Dick. Hey! I'm trying to get her laugh.
For your information, FYI.
She's
Yeah.
FYI. Just so
You got drag radios on the back?
You gotta show us the drift.
Yeah.
I will. We want me to show you.
What? Sorry? Sure. Where are you gonna do it?
Probably better
over
than
here.
with the racing.
You can do it right here.
I can do donuts, I can do drifts.
Why don't you do something right here?
Yeah, let's go.
That's freaking funny. You need more speed.
These tires are bald too. Huh? No.
Go for it, Alex. You can do it.
Hell no. I'd hit a car.
Just don't hit a car, yeah. That's cool. Alrighty guys, so I'm getting ready to head out of SpringFest 2018. It was a lot of fun. There's a lot of cool cars. Got some great ideas for my car, and that's kind of part of the reason that I decided to come out and check out SpringFest. I wanted to know what I wanted to do next, and it was nice seeing people that had modified their cars and what they've done and all that. So yeah, everyone's leaving right now. It was a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Rush SRT, and I'll see you next time. Peace.